the purpose for a batten is mainly to support the roach, which is the sail area in the leech of a sail. There are many different types of battens, and there are also many ways of tensioning and mounting them. We will now show you how to do that on a full batten mainsail with a FC box and the batten loaded from the luff of the sail. EPEX conventional mainsail, conventional informs that it has 5 full battens horizontal. The battens in that type of sail is not tapered, so the batten is just as stiff in both ends, meaning it can go in both ways as well. This is how the sail is delivered with the batten box, a slider, and here we have the batten pocket. To put in the batten and adjust it, you need these tools, one flat screwdriver and one Phillips. You take out the small set screw for the batten box here, open it, slide it all the way off, then you put in the batten to the pocket, slide it all the way in, put the batten on the right side of the tightener mechanism, hold it down and mount the top of the box on. This small set screw is only going into plastic, so you don't need to, you should not tighten it too much. Its only purpose is to lock the top itself. Now to tighten the batten, you have this adjustment screw where you put the flat screwdriver in, and the best adjustment is done on the boat in the end. You should not have wrinkles here. If you have that, you should tighten the batten a little bit more.